Bulavanaka, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me the utmost pleasure to offer President Kodrute, Prime Minister Bainimarama, and all the people of the Republic of Fiji my warmest and heartfelt greetings on this 50th anniversary of your independence. I recall with immense fondness my visit to Suva in 1970, when I represented Her Majesty the Queen at Fiji's independence ceremony. On that occasion, I was so deeply touched by the warmth of the Fijian welcome, by the solemn traditional ceremonies, by the music, the dancing, and the remarkable hospitality that was afforded to me, and have retained such very special and treasured memories of my visit ever since. As a result of that visit, when I was only 21, I have felt a lasting affection for the Fijian people. Over those past 5 decades, I have been fortunate enough to have visited Fiji on a number of subsequent occasions. In 1974, I was a young naval officer serving in HMS Jupiter when she visited Fiji for the centenary celebrations, and I recall with great nostalgia taking part in a yaviro in the beautiful lagoon of Mbenga Island. Then I came in 1985 on my way to Australia, and my last visit was in 2005. As I've said, throughout all these years, Fiji and her people have held a special place in my heart, and I had dearly hoped, therefore, to have been able to be with you all again this year and to have joined you in celebrating this special anniversary. You can have no idea how profoundly saddened I am that this dreadful global pandemic should have prevented me from being there with you in person. I can assure you, however, that I shall be with you in spirit. I do know that this pernicious virus, together with recent extreme weather events, such as Tropical Cyclone Harold, have had such a heavy and disruptive impact on your economy and on people's lives and livelihoods. My heart goes out to you all at such a desperately difficult time, together with my profound admiration for the remarkable efforts of those working on the front line to keep Fiji and her people safe during these particularly challenging circumstances. Ladies and gentlemen, this anniversary is an opportunity to celebrate all that the Republic of Fiji has achieved over the last 50 years in social and economic development, in ensuring access to education and health services, and in preserving your culture, traditions, and precious ecosystems. And none of us, not least those of us in the United Kingdom, will easily forget seeing the Fiji Rugby Sevens team bring home gold medals from the 2016 Olympic Games. In so many ways, Fiji has become a much admired and respected force for good in the world. This is particularly true on the vitally important issue of climate change, an urgent global crisis confronting us all, and which we all have a responsibility to address. Fiji has shown important leadership in this regard, chairing an effective COP23 in 2017 and setting a clear ambition with your net zero carbon emissions target by 2050. This could hardly be more important as we near another significant milestone in the fight against climate change at COP26 in Glasgow next year. For my part, through my Sustainable Markets Initiative and the Great Reset, I am working to build global coalitions to set our planet on a more sustainable trajectory, putting nature and communities at the heart of a circular bioeconomy. As Fiji celebrates 50 years of independence, I will do my utmost through my Sustainable Markets Initiative to assist Fiji and your region secure a more sustainable future for you, your children, and your grandchildren. Ladies and gentlemen, on this auspicious occasion, I did also want to pay tribute to the thousands of Fijian men and women who make such a vital contribution to the British Armed Forces, many of whom I have had the great pleasure of meeting over the years. The United Kingdom is immensely grateful for the exemplary service and courage of our Fijian personnel, some of whom, tragically, have made the ultimate sacrifice in the cause of global peace and security. We are also deeply grateful to their families, who offer them such vital support and play such an active and valued part in our communities. All of them are a huge credit to their country, and I am sure that all Fijians are enormously proud of them, as indeed am I. As we honour and celebrate the achievements of Fiji over the past 50 years, we can also look forward to a future of continued partnership. The United Kingdom and Fiji share a truly special bond as fellow members of the Commonwealth and as friends and beneficiaries of a common heritage. I have every confidence that we shall remain trusted partners over the years ahead, and that the ties between us will endure. For our part, my family and I will continue to champion this bond in whatever way we can. For now, my wife joins me in offering all Fijians our special blessings and congratulations on 50 years of the Republic of Fiji. You have so much to celebrate, and our kindest thoughts and wishes go out to each and every one of you. Blessing grant, O God of nations, on the Isles of Fiji. Vinaka Vakalevu.